Hello and welcome back to Jakubication. Today we're going to talk about the global object in JavaScript. The global object is a JS object whose properties are available globally. Objects are dependent on the flavor of programming term you like: map, dictionary, associative array. If you want to learn more about this data structure, I'll have a video linked in the description. Global availability means every function has access to these variables. What's available? Constants like undefined, infinity, nan, functions like parsint, isnan, string, object. But wait! For math functions you did math dot and then a function name. Why don't you have to prefix these global things with the name of the global object? The why is a question with no definitive answer other than JavaScript was made that way. But it's a great segue into how to declare global variables in general. To declare global variables you have two options. Var name equals value, and don't use a keyword like var or let or const. Or proper global object name dot var name equals value. Global variables can be dangerous for a couple of reasons. Any function can change the value of said variable, so tracking down how a specific value got changed can be difficult. Typos when changing the value of an existing variable creates a new global variable, and the change you want doesn't happen. The global object has a couple of different names depending on the context. Recently though, in 2020, JavaScript added a context-independent name for the global object. The names: in web browser land, the name of the global object is window. In Node.js server land, the name of the global object is global. And the context-independent name is global this. Ciao.